Hey guys, this video will be very, very short. I just wanted to go through Module 2 with you. So if you click on Module 2, remember you always want to click on the weekly overview. Things are set up just to try to keep you organized here. So I have what you should read for this week. I also have what you need to watch, and then also your homework. So just a couple of things. I just want to go over major assignments. There will be a library orientation. It's important that you watch those. They are a tiny bit lengthier than usual, but it's kind of the core foundation of our course, getting you familiarized with that research. So they are important to watch, and they do move quickly. So please make sure you do those. It's important that you read chapters 3 and 4 of the Magrino textbook. The two big assignments that you have coming up are the white paper assignment and the job search assignment. There are mini lectures on both. They are not too long, and I'm hoping that makes it a little bit easier to understand. The white paper assignment is not due until next week, so at this point you have just a bit over a week to complete it. The job search assignment is going to be due a week from today. It's a little bit complex, but once I go through it, you should be fine. You will be peer reviewing, so I'll go over that in just a second. This means you need to have your draft done and posted by June 9th, and then you'll peer review by the 11th, and then you'll have a whole day to kind of revise and fix it. So just review this if you need it for due dates. Going back to our second module, here are the library session video lectures. So I just want to kind of walk you through it a little bit. This is referring to the library guide, which I will show you again, but it is posted on our syllabus. The library guide is a really helpful resource. It's a website that librarians made for us that sort of goes through different sections of research techniques to help you research in a way that's effective specifically for this course and the structure of our paper. So video 1 and video 2 go through how to use that website. Video 3 just talks a little bit about sources and differentiating between popular versus scholarly versus professional sources. It also talks a lot about fieldwork. The last video is kind of a how-to. So I do a dry run of how to search. I kind of walk you through it. I show you how to make sure that you're accessing scholarly sources and all of that good stuff. If you have any questions about these, please let me know. Going back just to other requirements, I've kind of categorized the rest of the week into the white paper and then the job search assignment. So you'll see the final white paper, it's due June 13th. You'll submit it here. Job search assignment, final is due June 12th. I want to just click on the peer review for the job search. It's done in the format of a discussion thread. So you'll see you're uploading your draft by the 9th. You can actually click reply. You can add an attachment. You have then 2 days to peer review 3 classmates' work. Be a good student. If you see a classmate who has no one who's peer reviewed, jump to them just so you can give them some feedback. This is just an example of what I'm looking for. So you can just read through this. You're just kind of explaining what you really liked. You're giving some suggestions, offering some feedback. If you have questions about that, just let me know. For each assignment, I've also included exemplars. So if you wanted to see what a previous student has submitted, you can. So here's an example of an A-range white paper, and also here's an example of an A-range job search assignment. Remember, I've also posted these lectures. So here is the lecture for the job search assignment. There's a video attached. And here's the lecture for the white paper. I've also included a couple of resources, just a white paper checklist. So it's just a nice little PDF. You can print it out or convert it to a Google Doc. My students in the past will just sort of check things off once they complete them, just to make sure they have everything present in their white paper. I will post rubrics. I will attach them to the assignments. So if you are wondering just about, how you'll be graded, that will also be there. The last thing I wanted to talk about, potential proposal topics. This is actually due Sunday by midnight. So if you click this, I just want you to know today and tomorrow I'm going to go through everyone's ideas for a topic, and I'm going to give you feedback on each one. So please make sure you're checking that out. I do need you to comment by Tuesday, just letting me know which route you think you'll go, and then we can communicate that way. As always, if you have any questions, please let me know. If you'd like to set up office hours, please let me know. I hope that you are well, and if you need any clarification on anything for Module 2, please feel free to reach out through email. The last thing, hold on. I just wanted to show you where the library guide is. Right here. So if you scroll all the way down on the syllabus, there is a section that's called library guide, and that's where you can find that website that links to the webpage that the librarians built specifically for our course. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope your first week was okay, and please let me know if you need anything. Take care.